Have you ever seen the letters GMP on a supplement label? It sounds official, but what does it actually mean for you? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. It is a quality signal focused on how a product is made, packaged, and handled. Think of GMP as a focus on process. It covers cleanliness, documentation, and consistency, but it is not proof of clinical results. A GMP facility maintains systems for trained staff, clean equipment, and accurate labeling. It ensures the product is made in a controlled environment. However, GMP does not tell you if the formula is the best option, if the amounts are meaningful, or if the price is a good value. GMP is only one piece of the puzzle. You must still check the supplement facts label for serving sizes and clear ingredient amounts. Be mindful of proprietary blends, which can hide the exact amount of ingredients, making it harder to compare products effectively. Look for brands that provide transparency regarding their testing, sourcing, and quality standards beyond just a GMP claim. Always compare the price per serving. A product might sound high quality, but true value depends on what you get in each dose. If you take medications, are pregnant, or have health concerns, always speak with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any supplement. GMP is a helpful quality signal, but it is not the whole story. The best approach is to look at the full label information. Want to compare smarter? Visit LiveGoodForLife.com for ingredient breakdowns, safety notes, and price per serving reviews. Educational content only